ones who are purposefully passionate about property, coming to you live from Choprop Studios in Centurion, your trusted source for everything real estate, both local and international. I'm Nadia, your property practitioner, and here are the top stories making headlines in real estate today. There's a strong rebound in Gauteng's middle-income market. Coastal properties surge as remote work trends persist. International investment opportunities in Dubai. Golden visa-eligible properties on the rise. Tax-free rental yields in new waterfront developments. There's a strong rebound in Gauteng's middle-income market. After a period of stagnation, Gauteng's middle-income housing sector is bouncing back. Increased demand from first-time buyers and stabilized interest rates are driving renewed confidence. Coastal properties surge as remote work trends persist. Cities like Durban, George and Cape Town are seeing a significant increase in residential sales as more professionals opt for lifestyle-driven relocations while working remotely. International investment opportunities in Dubai. Golden visa-eligible properties on the rise. Dubai's real estate market is offering an influx of properties that qualify for the sought-after Golden Visa, giving investors both residency and lucrative rental returns. Tax-free rental yields in new waterfront developments. New luxury and mid-tier developments along Dubai Creek and Palm Jumeirah are offering up to 8% tax-free yields, making it a hot pick for smart investors in 2025. Now, it's time for one of our favorite segments, House Tours, where we shine a spotlight on some of the most captivating properties currently on the market, guided by our top-tier agents.
Hi guys, it's Khadija from Choprop. Today I would like you to view with me this stunning, one-of-a-kind, 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, fully furnished, yes, you've heard right, fully furnished house for sale in Lodium. It also comes with solar panels, batteries and an inverter, and not forgetting the swimming pool. If you want more information regarding this property, buzz me on 082 699 178 or email khadija@choprop.co.za.
Hi, if you're looking for a modern, beautiful home in Silverwood Estate, look no further. This home consists of 4 bedrooms, lounge, dining room, open plan kitchen, scullery, garage for 2 cars and a carport. Excellent garden. Look no further. Please come in.
Hi guys, it's Siva Pakri from Choprop International, your property practitioner at your service. Guys, I've got an amazing property for you. Beautiful, stunning and newly refurbished property. It's got a spacious kitchen, lounge, dining, but let me not say more. Come through, come have a look. Hey guys, have you enjoyed that video? If you have, this property is going for sale. Please give me a call on 082 492 0583 or DM me now.
Good day. My name is Mansukh Chiba and I'm a property professional here at Choprop Sales and Letting in Centurion. This is a place in Valhalla, a beautiful multi-tenanted complex, approximately 2,300 square meters, made up of about 29 units of about 100 square meters. If you want to rent any of these units, please contact me. And if the 100 square meters is too small for you, we will gladly turn it into 200 or even 300, enabling you to rent a bigger place. Now the complex is very well situated. It's very close to shopping centers, shops, houses of prayer, as well as schools. But the best part of this complex is that it's within close proximity to the old Johannesburg Road, which is commonly referred to as R101. And from the road itself, you can see the complex. So the street appeal is excellent. So if you need more information, please do not hesitate to contact me, or better still, contact me and we will arrange a viewing appointment. Thank you very much. And also one more thing I need to point out is that not only is it available for rental, but I appeal or bring it to the attention for investors and business people who may want to purchase this beautiful complex. And the selling price is approximately 20 million, but it's negotiable. Make time available to come and see me, and we will sit down and discuss a price. Thank you.
Hey, it's show day Saturday. Hi everyone, Nadia here from Choprop. I'm in Alder Village Estate in Alderain. And what do I have on show this afternoon? 343 square meters of brand new sheer luxury. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, all en suite, and so much more. So pop in for yourself. Don't take my word for it. I'll be here this afternoon from 3 to 5. See you then. tonight here at Choprop Studios in Centurion. Whether you're buying, selling, or just dreaming, we're here to fuel your passion for property. Join us next week on Purposefully Passionate About Property as we uncover more investment insights, stunning homes, and the faces behind the properties that move South Africa. Until then, stay inspired and remember, we are purposefully passionate about property.